We are saying that robot is a future, but I would say robot is not a future, it is a present. Because robotic surgery is very popular around the world now. It is same as laparoscopy. If you go back 20 years, 15 years, people used to come and teach laparoscopic surgery. And now every hospital has got laparoscopic sets and everybody is performing laparoscopic surgery. Robot is just a different tool. So for the trainees, you need to learn the operation. If you know the operation, you can do that operation with any tool in the world. So main thing is understand your planes, understand your anatomy, because anatomy is the basic for any surgery we do in life.
Important milestone in the development of surgical training and teaching at Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and it's a matter of great pleasure for us to host this event, first of its kind in the province, where innovation and robotic surgical skills will be taught by the master trainer. It's a step forward towards the development, innovation and achievements in the field of surgical discipline.
I sincerely thank the master trainers of today, Dr. 𝐒𝐻𝐫𝐿𝐼 Siddiq from Islamabad, and he's very much like a team member in that he generously shares his time and expertise with us whenever there's an academic event. Likewise, the Shaukat Khanum team, Dr. 𝐼𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐼, Dr. Fahad Shah, Dr. Zubair Khanzada, Dr. Irfan Islam, then from Khyber Teaching, Dr. Tayyib, I can see Dr. Azhar Shah with us today, and you're all very welcome, and it's always nice of you and kind of you to share your expertise with us.
It's a privilege to join you today as the patron-in-chief at this important conference dedicated to robotic surgery. To start with, congratulate the Department of Surgery for organizing a meeting on a subject that represents one of the most significant advances in modern surgical practice. Today, robotic surgery has found applications across multiple specialties, including urology, general surgery, colorectal, hepatobiliary, gynecology, cardiothoracic, pediatric, just about anything. As technology continues to evolve, its role will undoubtedly expand further. The future of robotic surgery is even more exciting. We are entering an era where robotics will increasingly integrate with artificial intelligence, advanced imaging, augmented reality, and machine learning. These technologies will enhance surgical planning, improve intraoperative decision-making, personalize patient care, and expand opportunities for simulation-based surgical training.